The Franciscan Charism is really interesting. The third order men and women today grew up out of the order of penitents, which was the lay people. And they were people who were living their lives but still wanted to engage in some way with the Franciscan Charism. And so their primary charism today, we would say, is ongoing conversion, which is that sense of looking at your life, looking at the world around you, seeing places that need to change, and always moving toward right relationship in our world. So right relationship is about what does it mean for me to be in the best possible relationship with you, with the other people that I am around, with the people that I work with and for, with all of God's creation. What is a relationship that honors both me and the other person? I was in a work situation that was difficult at one time, and I really struggled with how do I not turn this person into an enemy? How do I continue to treat him with the respect he deserves, even though he is not responding in a way that's helpful? And that takes a lot of reflection and inner work and checking it out to think about, how do I be in this relationship with someone who is difficult? Do I let him just walk all over me? Do I lay down boundaries? Do I negotiate this? And really having a community of sisters and people to talk to help sort out what was fair and what was not fair really helped me do that. And I think that was a part of right relationship, not just dismissing him, but also not dismissing myself and letting someone treat me poorly. Everybody deals with hard things and difficult people. It's about how we figure out how to do so with respect for each other.